guys, today we will go to the Woodlands, Texas. First stop, the Woodlands Mall. This is the first time I saw people riding horses in a parking lot at the mall. Like, I know that Texas is famous for like people riding horses everywhere, but this is the first time I saw them riding like at a big mall. And I'm not sure, but I think they are security guard.
Shaved on his leg.
Look at how shaped. It's so funny.
It took you forever to.
Yeah, I tried to understand. I was like, what the heck? And then I saw it. It's so fun to see it.
Maybe you should do. Maybe you should try.
On the second floor of this mall, there is a pet shop, and my husband and I was pretty shocked because we never seen a pet shop inside the big mall. So cute! Yeah, I never saw it in a mall. My brother likes this dog.
Your brother like that?
Yeah.
I think that.
Đúng mà, the so cute. What type of dog is it?
I think it's
Really?
They were sleeping together. Now they're.
That looks so funny.
Most dogs don't sleep like that.
Yep. So cute.
I thought that's a husky at first.
They're so cute.
I think they get treats from there.
Yep, the thing. Cute. I bought mango passion fruit tea. So I thought that the tea would be really sweet, but it was not sweet. I think it's really good. Like, it's not too sweet. Like, and I'm pretty surprised.
Everything is Christmas.
I like that light. I didn't buy anything, but this store looks cute. This is reindeer. Fun. Oh, the polar bear, cute. Yeah. Oh, have sand.
Just look up. It's kind of funny though because he's got one.
Mom, he's so cute. Build-A-Bear workshop is pretty expensive. We didn't buy anything here, but we usually stop by and look at the stuff here. Wow, there's a lot of cute ones. I'm gonna buy 2. Can you ask them if they have ear? Cute. I want ear. Oh, that's
Milo.
Pixie.
That's Milo.
Why is not
Because Milo's that color.
Oh yeah,
He's
it's
white.
Milo. Yeah.
Pixie's white. They have the
This is the
Christmas axolotl.
Axolotl.
Gingerbread axolotl. That's cool.
That's funny. Texas cow. The Grinch. Everywhere. I like you.
Yeah.
She wear glasses with the mama.
Yeah, the mom. Yeah.
We then went to the Woodland waterway. It's really near the mall.
I think it's a hotel too.
Beautiful.
I thought we were in a park. Picture.
Huh.
That means they're in all white. Let's have a dance. I don't.
It's not
so much
stink.
better
It's
than
clean.
San
It's
Antonio.
safe. Yeah.
This is pretty light, but
This side is pretty too.
oh look,
Look what?
town crawler.
Yeah. So this place is super clean. Like I cannot see any trash, and it looks super clean. I saw many people bike here. I think it's a good area to bike, but actually I think it's kind of scary because I imagine if I'm biking and then I go straight to the water, it's not gonna be good. It's a lizard.
That was a frog.
Okay, frog. Yeah, me too. A lot better.
A lot more.
So San Antonio have river walk is very famous, and we went there one time and I made one video about that, and we didn't like it because the water there smells stink and there was so many people, so crowded. I think it's because it's so famous, so many people go there, but I don't know why it's so famous. I think because it have a lot of restaurant there, so people can eat and drinking while walking through the river. I like the one in Woodlands more. I like this one more because it's like it gives the peaceful vibes. It's very chill, peaceful, super safe, very clean, but I don't see a lot of people come here. I think it's a really good place for family to bike to work, but because it doesn't have a lot of restaurant for people to drink and eat, so it's not a famous travel destination.
A lot more skinny.
Oh, so cute. I really like.
That's why it's not come closer to us because we don't got food.
Oh, that's a bridge.
You want to cross it?
No. So it has a koi point here, like, but because it's already dark, like it's very dark now, so we cannot see any fish. So I hope that I can come back to this place one time to look at the koi fish. I heard that they are super beautiful. So next to the river has a park, and the park they like memorize veterans, and of course it have one place that like memorize all of the branches, but there's one specific place that just for Marine Corps, and my husband noticed it and we came to see, and I was amazed. Like I rarely see a place that just like do about Marine Corps. That is so cool.
Specifically honoring.
Not specifically honor Marine. This is so cool.
No one else, which is
very
rare.
Very rare because usually it's their own branch. This is so cool. Texas recipients, honor these people from Texas. Medal of Honor. Yeah, this is my first flag. Texas Marines Medal of Honor. Wow.
Nigerian's message.
Look. Oh. Wow. World War II, Korean War, Vietnam War. We then went to a Thai restaurant nearby. Just by look at how they decorate their restaurant, I know that this one will be very authentic. So Houston has many Thai restaurants, but the good one usually is in North Houston. I love spicy, so I always order the most spicy level. And if you go to a Thai restaurant, you can tone them Thai hot. That is the most spiciness level. I order chicken wings. My husband ordered the Lord salad. My chicken wings is not that spicy, but his salad is really spicy. I think it's good. Wow. I also ordered the crispy fried pork, and it is really good. So usually when they make crispy pork, it's crispy but it's very dry. But this restaurant, they balance it out. It's crispy outside but inside is super soft. And the sauce on the side is so good. It tastes so delicious. This is so cute. It's small. I don't want to see. Wow. I also ordered the soup, and like of course its Thai hot level is really spicy, and of course my husband will not eat it because he struggle with his salad. He have to drink a lot of water, so I think it's really full. So I eat all of this soup and I really like it. Like really, it's like because a lot of restaurant I order Thai hot and it's really not that spicy, just the very authentic one that they make it this level, and I really like it. We then headed to Kima Boardwalk. I know that I edit this video and I upload it later, but this day it is the day that very near Veteran Day, so Kima Boardwalk they have fireworks to celebrate the Veteran Day.